Hello everyone, welcome to the Intellectual Talks. I hope you all are good and working hard for your life journey. Today in this video, I am going to explain you about the crazy project of Turkey, also called as Istanbul Canal Project. Before proceeding, I would like to give you some information about Turkey. Turkey was originated from Ottoman Empire after the death of its last Sultan Mehmed VI in 1923. Then the first president was Mustafa Kemal Atatürk Sahab from 1923 to 1936. From the time of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk till now, Turkey has made a lot of development and growth. Its Human Development Index (HDI) is greater than zero point 0.8, which is extremely good, and Ankara is the capital of Turkey, and Istanbul is well known and important city of Turkey. Current president of Turkey is Recep Tayyip Erdogan Saab. Now let's move to the project. Let's see the map of Turkey. It is situated between the Black Sea and Sea of Marmara. The strait which joins the Black Sea and the Sea of Marmara is called Bosphorus Strait. About 500 years ago, the Sultan Suleiman was planned to construct a new strait between Istanbul, but he was unable to do so in his time. Now in 2011, Erdogan proposed to build a 45-kilometer canal between Istanbul, which may require $15 billion, and said this is a crazy project. The Istanbul Canal may used for bypassing the Istanbul. Erdogan also said that we make profit by making this canal, and it will surely reduce the traffic at Bosphorus Strait, and it will complete in 5 to 6 years from now. Erdogan as a president want to show his country as a manufacturing hub. But critics says this project will lead our country into a massive debt as it will consume more than $15 billion, that may be 20 to $25 billion. Many environmentalists said, "Sir, it will be harmful for ecology of Istanbul." Economists said, "Sir, this project will not be economical and may harm our sovereignty." Istanbul opponent mayor Ekrem İmamoğlu criticizes this project and gave warning about environmental consequences and called this project a disastrous canal project. Some admirals and ambassadors of Turkey also criticizes this project, said it will breach Montreux Convention and give open letter to President Erdogan. Montreux Convention is nothing but a 1936 agreement that gives Turkey control over the Bosphorus and Dardanelles Strait. It assured the free passage of civilian vessels in peacetime and restrict the passage of naval ships not belonging to Black Sea states. But President Erdogan in 21st January 2021 said, "We do not breach Montreux Convention. It will remain same." Then in April 2021, 120 ambassadors and about 100 admirals creates uproar and sign a paper to stop this project, which is dangerous for our sovereignty. Then investigation starts by President Erdogan, detains 10 admirals and others asked for report in Ankara police station and warned. As the President Erdogan claims that this project will reduce the traffic and accident, critics react that, "Sir, already in Bosphorus Strait, traffic decreased. According to the data of 2008 and up to 18, it was 50,000 ships passes per year, but now in 2019 to 20, only 40,000 ships pass." This data is given by Republic of Turkey, Ministry of Transport, Maritime Affairs and Communication. Turkey Coastal Agency also said, "Sir, it is useless as accident in Bosphorus Strait reduced one-third by 2003. Russian President Vladimir Putin also reacts to this project, has told President Tayyip Erdogan over the phone call that Montreux Convention on the regime of state should be preserved. Critics says we already expend $500 million by 2019 on massive projects like new seaports, third Bosphorus bridge, new businesses, housing district, artificial lakes, world's largest airport and 8-lane road etc. Sir, we cannot bear more projects like Istanbul Canal. Please stop this crazy project. It will create ecological disbalance in Turkey, may lead to lack of fresh water in Istanbul. Sir, we have to think again about this project. Sir, you are trying to change almost 20,000 hectare area. But Erdogan sir believes that we make profit by making new projects. Critic claims that it will only benefit the construction companies who will make this project. But President Erdogan still takes first step in this controversial canal project. Due to his infrastructure works, Istanbul Real Estate Exchange companies acquires 8% growth. That is huge. Also, top banks of Turkey are reluctant to give money for this project, says we cannot give money because it will breach the United Nations Sustainability Pact and this project may cause huge environmental effect. Sir, we cannot provide loans for non-ecological projects. That was the bank's clear-cut reluctance. Still, the government said, we are fine and any country or corporate institutions can invest in this project as it will give more profit. But critics says, sir, investment from China would be a devastating action and we will be in a debt trap like Hambantota port which is in a 99-year lease to China. Now we will know this later. Will this project really change Turkey's destiny? Can Turkey really develop more? In my opinion, there would be a massive significance of this project. Let's see. It will be a reputational risk or the best achievement of President Erdogan ever. What do you people think about this project? Tell me in the comment box. If you like my research and content, kindly subscribe my channel and like this video. I will come back again with a new interesting talks. Thank you for watching this.